Well, that's a sad looking mower. I made a video about a month and a half ago where I tried to fire it up and drive it out of the garden, and obviously that didn't work. So I drug it out with the Craftsman Toro thing here, and brought it in here, and now I'm going through and putting tubes in the tires because all four tires are flat. And once I've done that, I'll go ahead and work on the carburetor there, because it'll run but only on choke, and obviously with flat tires it won't move. So I've already started putting the tubes in. I get these tubes for free because they got holes in them, so I bought like a patch kit for like $1, something like that, off eBay, and I've been patching them up and throwing them in, and they seem to work pretty good. So I'll go ahead and do that, and charge a battery already, so that should be good. So let's go ahead and finish tubing these, all four of these tires, and at least get this thing to roll around again. Well, there we go. Front two are done. Still got the back two to go. Hopefully they'll hold there and my patches will hold up. And after I get those rear ones on, I think I'm going to take it out and pressure wash off all this nastiness before I work on it. Probably got an oil leak or had an oil leak somewhere, one of the two. But we'll get that clean and then bring it back and I'll open up the carb, start messing with that. Yeah, even the carb's full of crap, so gonna clean it first. Alright, I got all 4 tires holding there again and got all the crud washed off of it, or at least most of it. So nice and clean in there now. Let's go ahead and see if we can pull the carb bowl off and take a peek in there. Well, the gas smells alright. Don't want to come off. Glued right on there. There we go. Yeah, maybe that's our problem. Yeah. Probably gonna have to find a new bowl gasket too. But yeah, that's pretty nasty. Alright, I went ahead and cleaned up that carb bowl, put a new gasket in there, put it back on, put some fresh gas in the tank. Hopefully that'll be enough to work. Otherwise I'm going to have to actually take the carburetor off. And if I can get away without doing that, that's what I would prefer. So let's go ahead and try to fire it up and see if it worked. Choke, that's the brake. Yeah, still not doing good. Let's see if we can get it running a little bit longer and see if it'll go. Yeah. Well, that ain't no good. Well, now that we got all the crap out of the fuel bowl, I wonder if there's anything in that fuel filter. I'll have to pull that line off and make sure it's running good. And go from there. Well, I pulled that line off and unfortunately fuel is coming out of there like nobody's business. I say unfortunately because that means I have to take the carb off now. I tried to do it the easy way and crossed my fingers and hoped it worked, but obviously it didn't. So now I'm going to have to dig into that carburetor. Alright, I took the carburetor off and I cleaned her out. Yeah, it wasn't the worst I've ever seen, but there were some little greenies in there, some gobs of crap. So hopefully I got enough of those out for it to run now. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Yeah, got some choke. Come on now. Well, this is just great. Now it don't do anything. did something there. Well, perfect. I was worried there for a second, but looks like it runs, fires up, and I think tomorrow when it's daylight out, I'll go and drive it around a little bit and see what the deck sounds like after it's been sitting for so long. And just like that, it's light out again. Let's fire this thing up, drive it outside, see how that deck sounds. Well, I think we got a winner. No, it's still kind of broken here. The deck lift doesn't lock anymore, so it's got that thing jammed in there to kind of hold it up. And there are other problems, but I think it'll be good for a rough cut mower anyway. At least it's got air. I can push it around if it don't start again.